CruzArmor here. Wanted to show you one of our new products that we launched at the Baja 1000 this year with great success. It's what we're calling day to night. It's a one-shot tinted tear-off. So basically it's for if you're racing all day and then going into the night, instead of having to have a tinted visor that then you have to switch with a clear visor, we have these tinted tear-off, which literally we're going to put on the shield. You run all day with the tinted tear-off. This thing is self-healing, just like all of our other CruzArmor products. When it gets to be nighttime, you rip it off, and now you have your CruzArmor protected clear lens for the night race, which again is covered with the self-healing material, so it won't scratch either. So I'm just going to show you quickly how this gets installed. Real simple. Again, you use kind of the same soapy mixture. You peel the thing off, soap water mixture. Make sure everything's good and wet. And this just lays right over the top of our other material. And again, you just line the thing up. Make sure it's wet. Again, just light strokes so that you're just letting kind of the weight of the squeegee squeegee the water out. Overlapping strokes so you don't leave any moisture under there. Again, once you get kind of all the moisture out, you can still move it. You can still slide it to get it exactly where you want it. Then go ahead and wet it again. Use a little bit more pressure this time, just to get everything out of there. Again, one of the keys is keeping everything wet, keeping this top surface wet so that your squeegee slides really easily. And again, all we're doing is just pushing out any of that water underneath, the soapy water. One of the key things I tell you in all the videos, do not shake up your bottle and get foamy. You don't want foam and bubbles all over. You just want, like I say, the 8 drops of baby shampoo or dish soap for a 32-ounce bottle or whatever the equivalent. Kind of do the math and figure that out. But basically, that's it on this. So I'm pushing pretty hard at this point to get all the liquid out. And we are good to go. So it's that easy. I'm going to go ahead and dry it off. And again, with any of our products, you might have a slight haze in there just right when you install it. Set the thing in the sun, and that haze will dissipate out in about 10 minutes, or leave it overnight. If it's in cold weather, leave it inside, leave it in the trailer overnight. And so now you have, like I say, a tinted visor for the day. So you can race all day with this thing. Again, same self-healing protection you can use a wire brush on. Literally hit this thing. And the thing, like I say, just self-heals. Right now it's kind of cold in here right now, but literally, there you go. The thing just self-heals. And then again on the clear visor on the inside, we have the CruzArmor, which is both on the inside and underneath the tint is the CruzArmor. But again, you can hit it with the wire brush and nothing scratches. Again, then you ride, and when it's time, the sun goes down, starts to get dark, these tabs you just lift on either side, and go ahead and you just rip the thing up. And it pulls up that easy. We'll go ahead and leave it back on here and leave it on. So that's it. Tinted one-shot day to night tear-offs. You can order them. We have them for all the different visors. This is a Stillo visor, so it's custom made for this. We have them for Impacts, Pyrotex, you name it. Check us out online, or check them out at any of our retailers. Thanks. Good night.